Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Last week I mentioned a little something about tint, but I didn't go into detail about it, and that's what I'm here for today. So tint is part of value. So you have value, you have shade, you have tint. Basically, if you take a color and you add white to it, that's a tint. If you take red and you add white to it, you get pink. So pink is a tint of red. So basically all those pastel colors that you're like in love with right now, yeah, those are tints of other colors. That's right. Having tint in your work is pretty useful, even if you don't use it right now and it's not really your style, that's totally fine. It is still good to know how to use tint and when to use it, and that's it. How to use it and when to use it, because one of these days it might come up where you need to use that just to give your work a little push. So I highly recommend you give it a go and practice it at least every once in a while, just to make sure that you know what you're doing and you understand the concept of it in case you do run into a situation where you really do need it. So today I'm going to teach you how to practice with tints. We're actually going to make a tint scale. So you'll need something to mix your paint on. Paper, one paint that's a pure hue, and one paint that is white. And if you want things to look super nice and professional, I recommend a ruler, a pencil, and then you'll need a paintbrush. Now that we have our supplies, we can get started. Let's take our ruler and pencil and draw out a chart. Light it accordingly, make it nice and pretty. You're going to do the last square in white and the first square in red. Then you're gonna add a teeny tiny bit of red into your white, just a little bit. I cannot stress that enough. You're gonna pretty much do the same thing on the other side with the red. You're gonna continue doing this all the way across until you get a really nice scale where you can actually see the differences between the hues. So I recommend you trying this over and over and over again until you actually understand how the tint scale really works and how you can kind of like incorporate it into your work. And then just pick a color, add white to it, make a painting with just one pure hue and tint, and post it on social media and tag me in there. I want to see what you come up with, okay? Question for today is, if you had to pick one color for the rest of your art career, what would it be? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That'd be awesome, and I'd really appreciate it. Always remember, stay creative and give it 100%. I'll catch you guys later. You have a great day, stay creative, and give it 100%. Bye. Oh, now you're silent, yeah?